Ako si MacTBG Salon, taga Awang ko, tapos ang division namo ay Sector og Division, Sector 1, tapos ang division namo ara sa Cotabato. Ang nag-invite sa ako atong mga friends na ako nga Adventist kay ano sila na nga ano daw nila invite na daw nila na ako para sa dire mag happy happy dire sa F Camp. So karon nagkatotoo. This is my first time and I'm very happy that I met other friends in here so I can make some friends, new friends. Activities that I enjoy in is F-Camp, that the dances, like festival dances like that, and also this course like Monkey Bridge. I expect that it will be bored and not happy, but I didn't expect that it will be this happy. So that's all, and I'm very happy that I met some new friends. I want to invite my friends in the other houses, like on the Lomboy because I live there also, and I can invite some couple of friends over there, like about 5 of them. So yeah, I can invite them if they want to. Yes, I want to accept God for being an Adventist because Adventist is very powerful and it makes other people happy, like that, and it makes you uh, joyful every day like that, and met some new pastors that I like very much.